Here's the bottom of the track. How'd you go, guys? Look, you can talk into the camera.
Hello.
I'll put that on the internet now.
Fantastic.
You having a good time, bearded drummer?
Yeah, just takes me back to Woodstock, you know. And then there was joints.
Did you like that one, my friend?
Yeah, that was good. How you going, Missioner? What about you? What are you guys? Groupies?
Sound guy.
Oh, sound guy.
And
Cool.
Technician.
Oh, I better not stop you guys rocking.
Are you going to do Psycho Killer?
I think I'll have to do it later.
Come on, Russ.
Come on, Russ.
Come on, Rusty.
I'll do it later. Actually, clear it, bro, all you huckers! Ugly! Not supposed to go that way. Oh, I feel like I'm actually running a bit of a flat tyre. Let's go on, Amy! Oh dear! Little jumps. My bloody tyre still. Coming in the bottom section. Gotta hit that bit. There's the van. More jumps. Ah, good times.